So our project is an interactive art exhibition where basically we're playing with the idea of motion and distance and seeing how different elements can react with that. Specifically here we have touch, sight, and hearing.
Yeah, so if you move your hand closer and further away from our sensors, this one you'll be able to feel vibration changes in the hand. You'll be able to hear the turnstile spinning, and then you'll also be able to interact with the lights and how they display based on the color and also the position.
I think our project really stemmed from there's a very big SEC mural, and I feel like I've always really admired that since I first came as a freshman, and I think it's really rewarding to create my own mini mural. That's really nice.
I think also just being able to play around with elements of connectivity and tech was huge. Being able to replicate human touch and also just the senses. I think just being able to replicate that has been something that I've been interested in, and being able to do it in an artistic way is something that's beautiful and something you can see. Yeah.